everyone, I'm Gini Goyal, the Quality Analyst at Cloud Analogy. Today's topic is SurveyMonkey changing the face of surveys. Before we start with our case study, let me introduce you to Cloud Analogy. Cloud Analogy is a leading Salesforce implementation company that provides a wide range of services including Salesforce administration, consultancy, development, customization, and integration. As a premier CRM implementation partner, Cloud Analogy helps clients leverage the potential of CRM products to improve return on investment. In this case study, we will be covering key topics such as introduction of SurveyMonkey, features of SurveyMonkey, steps to create a survey with SurveyMonkey, client requirement, and steps to integrate SurveyMonkey with Salesforce. Now, introduction of SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is an online survey software that allows you to create and run professional online surveys. It is a very powerful and well-known online application used to collect feedbacks, opinions, criticism, and suggestions from the general public and customers. SurveyMonkey surveys can be useful to collect customer feedback to make data-driven decisions. By utilizing SurveyMonkey surveys, you can gather real-time customer feedbacks to gain a 360-degree view of customers to understand what your customers are looking for. SurveyMonkey provides all the necessary tools to create strong, professional surveys easily. They can then be sent to the user in various ways: email, web link, Facebook, embed link on the web page, link via Twitter, website pop-ups, and more. Now, what are the features of SurveyMonkey? So first is design and implementation. You can drag and drop the questions for creating a survey. You can apply beautiful and responsive themes to the survey form. You can add logics to the survey forms. You can add a payment page to accept payments and more. And the second is collector type. Web link, email invitation, social media, Facebook messengers, target audience, website, manual data entry, mobile SDK, field survey, and text messages. And the third is analyze results. You can view and analyze the survey results at any time during the collection process. You can see individual response. You can apply different filters to break down survey results and more. Now, what are the steps to create a survey with SurveyMonkey? Click on the Start from Scratch button. Fill the details on this page. After clicking on this button, you are ready to create a survey. You can add your questions to the survey. You can also define the type of question answers as shown in the below figure. Note, you cannot create more than 10 questions. After creating the first question, click on the Next Question button to create another one. After creating 4 or 5 questions, click on the Done button. After clicking on the Done button, click on the Save button. Then click on the Next button. By clicking on the Next button, you will be redirected to the Preview and Score tab as shown in the below image. Now click on the Done button that is at the bottom of this page and it will redirect you to the new page as shown in the below images. Click on the Collect Responses button as shown in the above image and it will redirect to the below image. And on the below image, select the first option, which is Send Surveys Your Way. Now select from which way you want to collect your responses, either by send by email, get web link, etc. As per your choice, select the way to collect the responses. Let us select the send by email option. By clicking on this option, you will be redirected to the below screen, and on this screen enter the information for sending your created survey. After filling all the details, click on the Next button. Now you will be redirected to the next screen. Click on the Verify button of this page. Then after clicking on this button, you will receive an email. You have to click on the Verify button and it will redirect you to this page. Click on the Next button and you will redirect to the screen. By clicking the Send Now button, your survey will send to the given email address. Now click on this Begin Survey button. It will redirect you to the next screen or next page. After giving the survey, click on the Done button and you will be redirected to this image. Now you can see the responses by clicking on the Analyze Result tab. On this tab, you can see the survey of each person who responds. Now, what are the client requirements? We have worked to integrate SurveyMonkey and design data model for saving survey response data and calculate survey responses, all 80 questions data according to the requirement and show calculated data in a PDF file. Now, steps to integrate SurveyMonkey with Salesforce. First is connecting for integration. We need to connect the SurveyMonkey with Salesforce to create the records of the responses provided by the users. To create the records of responses, we need to integrate SurveyMonkey with Salesforce. Now, how to get the access token? For this, first of all, you have to create the app. By creating this app, you can get the important information like client ID, consumer ID, etc. That is very important for any integration. Click on the Create New App button. Now give the name for the app and select the app type. Now under the Overview section, you will get the client ID and secret. Now go to the settings, then update scopes, then deploy the app. Click on the Deploy button. Now you have the access token under the Credential sections in the Settings tab. Authorize our script with the access token. Now you need to pass the access token while accessing SurveyMonkey through your script. For this, you need to pass header information for each request in the following format. To find all the surveys from SurveyMonkey account, save this access token in a custom setting and use this in an Apex code so that it will fetch the data in JSON format from the SurveyMonkey. Now by using this code, you can get all the survey data in our Salesforce org. If you want access to collector response, survey data, etc., then go through this link.